Alright everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? I'm Beth Carrera, the Crazy Cat Lady. I'm hoping you're having an awesome day or night or whatever time zone you're at. And I got the November's Medusa. I'm a little late on filming this, but nevertheless I want to get this done. I just hope you all wanted to see it. Some people do, so I'm gonna film this for you all now. So let's get into it. So let's see what is in this box for this, well, for actually November. It's already December, but like I said, I'm a little late because it came last week and I was really busy with Thanksgiving stuff and everything. So it's Holiday Glam series, and this is how basically the box looks like. I'm sorry I didn't show you. So, oh, this has a little, "Are you a Lovebirdie?" Let's see what this is all about. I should be really have real beauty, true products, one itself, vegan free. Hello, nice to meet you, the Lovebirdie. I don't know what that is. Cruelty free, vegan. So it might be a name of a makeup product. Tell me. Comment down below if it's a makeup product, name of a makeup product. Okay, lip gloss. So let's see what kind of lippy gloss I got. I think this might be the last month that I'm getting this. I know I had a 6-month I purchase. Ooh, look at how pretty. Love that. Let's put it on. Tastes like a vanilla cupcake. That is good. I love this color. See? Loving it. I'm feeling this color. I love it. It's like, and it tastes good too. And of course, this is the eye dust, and it is like a pink eye dust. I'm not going to take it apart because it'll get everywhere. And oh, this is cute. Lip sleek or cheek, lip and cheek stain. This is so cute. And it's a lip and cheek stain. So let me just try it out on my hand. Well, this is cute. It's like more for your lips. I can't even really see it. This is nice. I like this because it's a stain, but it doesn't go on heavy or anything. It feels so light. I like that. I really do. Because it's very light and it's creamy too. I love that. Alright, and the last thing in here is, I'm really liking the lip glosses and stuff. Oh, that's what it is. It's facial serum. Lovebird. Facial serum. I'm wondering if it's like a, oh, it's maybe underneath your eye. Ooh, maybe like to do the lines. It's cold. It's been outside. No, it's been in my closet, and my closet's cold. So that's what this lovebird thing comes from. This is it's a face serum. And it comes with a rolly ball. And it just rolls, see? I mean, you can see that. So all this, so let's recap. All of this, you get the face serum, the lip and cheek stain, the eye dust, and the lip gloss. And I'm thinking out of all these, my favorite is this lip gloss. I really love it. I just love lip glosses. Love this. And they don't tell you the prices because I would definitely go over it with you. But I think it's about $25 a month. You can check on it. Go to Medusa.com. I'll link it below and double check the price. But it's cute. And like I said before, they have a lot of the same stuff almost in every single box I got. Because I think this might be my 5th or 6th box. And yeah, you get some pretty cool stuff, but I'm not always caring for it. So I'm not going to continue getting it. I'm not sure if I get the December one or not. So if you don't see a video on that, that means I didn't get it. So, but other than that, I like the eye serum too. These two are my favorite because I can always use for underneath my eyes, any lines. So I definitely really love that. Really cool. I like this. So I hope you enjoyed the Medusas November box. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that like button. Until the next time, I love you all and be safe and have an awesome night or day. It all depends. Bye-bye.